Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today you join us at Beamish. It is the first weekend after Christmas and it is the 12 Nights of Christmas celebrations here at Beamish. Oh, there's a stop sign there on the tram tracks which says that this side of the trams aren't running. So just reading off the Beamish website, the 12th night Christmas celebrations during the 18th, 19th century, 12th night celebrations, it's hard to say that, were an occasion of mischief and merrymaking with parties involving food, drink and traditional games. So it tells me to visit the 1820s Pockley Old Hall to get a feel for the Georgian merriment. Hear the Rantanas performing traditional Georgian music each day between 11 AM and 2 PM. Now it is 20 to 11 and one of the Rantanas, that guy there, has just walked past me. So I guess we're going to go up to Pockley Hall, wait for that guy to set up and listen to some Georgian music. And it looks like the elf trail is still up and running, which is my shortcut from Pockley Hall area to the colliery village through the woods. Cool. Here's another vintage bus coming by. I maybe should have got on there. Yeah. Time for the climb up the hill towards Pockley Hall. I hate this climb. But that's just me being lazy. So we've still got about 15 or 20 minutes until the Rantanas start playing in the Pockley Old Hall. So I've decided to come have a look in the Drovers Tavern.
Because the thing is, it's the rental with us being there for longer as well. I've seen the calendar make my fancy like it's eating a meal every single night.
So on that menu you'll have seen drinks, fuddles and victuals. So I asked the lady, what are fuddles and victuals? Apparently fuddles are alcoholic drinks. The drinks are just non-alcoholic drinks. And the victuals is food, but there was no food on the menu there. I was going to try some food in there, but I don't think they're doing it today. Because all I saw on the menu was the drinks and fuddles. No victuals. Does that make sense? I don't think it does. The traditional Yule log. Some traditional foods. Now this must be in a rich household because I've got a pineapple. In Georgian times, that was a sign of wealth. Got me some warm fruit punch. Waiting for the Rantanas. Hey! So there you have it. That was the Rantanas, and as you can tell by the length of that clip, I really quite enjoy listening to them. I look forward to them every year. They also do music at the Halloween events and things like that. They're really good, really nice blokes, nice to talk to, and very, very talented musicians. So the website says, as part of the 12th night celebrations, that in the 1900s town, Ravensthorpe Terrace have some traditional food displays. So that's where I'm heading, but I've took a shortcut through the 1950s town just because I can now, because the fences have been taken down. So here we are, Ravensthorpe Terrace. Let's have a look around. So far, all the tables are empty or just set up as normal. I'm not seeing the 12th night of Christmas. I'm struggling to say that. Food offerings. Found it. So there you go, I did find the house that has the traditional 12th night of Christmas food offerings, and it is that one just there in the middle. The rest of them seem to just be set up as normal. Now, I did say on my Christmas video where I came for the first night, or the first day of the Christmas celebrations, and I says there wasn't a lot decorated. That house wasn't decorated then, but as you just saw, it was decorated that time with the tree and all the garlands, etc. So yeah, it seems that on the first day that they opened for the Christmas, not everything was set up. So there you go. It is now. Time to wait for a bus, I think. So I think I'm going to wait for one of the buses and head back up to the car park. There is another display at the Pit Village, which is another food display, but I am freezing, so I'm going to head on out. Bouncy. Well, that will just about do it for today at Beamish. But on a side note, I'd like to mention, I lost my pass. So when you come to Beamish, it's about £25 to get in, but that gives you entrance for a full year, and I lost it. So I came fully expecting to have to pay for another pass. When I told them at the desk, they asked for my postcode, that's a zip code in America, and proof of ID. and they're printing off a new pass, because my pass currently has 7 months left on it. So that was good. That's just a side note. If you lose your annual pass, don't worry. As long as you've got ID, you can get another one printed off. So there you have it. That is the 12th night of Christmas celebrations here at Beamish Museum. There was more Christmassy things than my last Christmas video on the opening of the Christmas celebrations, but that's probably be expected because I did come on the first night, or the first day. So maybe they weren't fully set up yet. I don't know. Anywho, I shall see you all next year, because that's right, it is 2 days until 2025 as of filming this video. You'll probably see this video, maybe New Year's Eve. I don't know, maybe the day before. Yeah. Anywho, I don't even know what date it is. Anywho, shall see you all in the next one. See you all next year. I hope you have a fantastic New Year Eve celebration and good fortunes for the year coming. So please do me a favour, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that little bell, because we love it when you do that. So yeah, see you all next year, folks. Ooh, and before I forget, now it's time to do your job. Hey! I knew that was going to happen.